Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Louise. I'm Louise, your Independent Pampered Chef Consultant. So today I wanted to share another brand new product that just came out for spring of 2023, and that's our cup slicer. This is a super nifty product that even kids could use. So here we have our brand new cup slicer, and it is so basic and so easy to use that kids can do it as well. So today I'm going to show you how to slice up a few different fruits and veggies that I already had in my refrigerator, and I'm going to zoom in just so that you can really get a good look at how this works. So I chopped my head off, but that's okay. I wanted you guys to really see this. All right, so for instance, we have grapes. So you just put it on top of it like that, and you just go down, 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 and check it out. I've got all my grapes sliced up. See that, how that works? Now let's go ahead and do some strawberries. You just slice down it like this, and look, now I have my strawberries sliced as well. So let me just dump these out. Now let's do, and to get that off of there like that, you just put it in the cap and press down, and it will release the rest of whatever's in there. See? All right, so now let's do some cherry tomatoes. Slice, whoop, slice, slice, and let's put that in there and show you how those came out already sliced up. See that? Now let's do some mushrooms. Slice, slice, slice. So, let me take those out, show you guys. They're all sliced. And to get those final ones stuck from the blade, you just put it on there, press down, and there you have it. So you can do, so you can do things like, I'm trying to get used to it. So you can do things like kiwi, banana, anything soft. You don't want to do harder things like onions and like that. So any soft fruit or soft veggie you can slice with our handy dandy cup slicer. Thanks for watching, you guys, and you know the drill. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and ring the bell so you will be notified of all my upcoming videos. Coming up soon is a brand new pasta salad recipe where I will be using the cup slicer and our green goddess dressing. Thanks so much for watching, and happy cooking!